Let me say something uncomfortable, and I want you to really hear this. Saving money alone will not prepare you for retirement. Saving is not enough. Okay, before you get defensive, let me be clear. Pag-usapan natin to. Saving is important. Everyone should save. But saving alone is not a retirement plan. Let's say that again. Saving alone is not a retirement plan. Here's the difference most people miss. When you save, your money just sits there. Or we can say, it sleeps there. Tulog lang siya. What you want is you're the one sleeping, not your money. So when you retire, your money must work for you. That's the goal. Hindi ba? Ganon din yung gusto mo. Because once you retire, imagine this. Your salary stops. If you're employed, wala nang sweldo. Buti sana kung may napaka-stable na business ka. Pero hindi lahat ganon. And while your money is just sitting there, something else is happening. Every year, prices go up. Inflation, you've heard about it. Food, healthcare, transportations, utilities. The price of everything goes up. That means the same amount of money you have in your savings account buys less over time. Now think about retirement. No monthly income, higher medical expenses, and a longer life expectancy. Gusto nating mabuhay ng mahaba pero costly din pala yun. So if your money is not growing, you're not staying the same. You're actually falling behind. This is where many high-income earners get trapped. Malaki naman sweldo ko. I save consistently. But retirement doesn't care how much you earn. Kulang yan. It cares how your money behaves over decades. Retirement planning is not about how much you save. It's about how long your money can support your life. So if you live longer, you need money to support you. And that requires growth, structure, and strategy. Longevity needs strategy. If you want to enjoy your life long, we need a strategy. Now, I have a question. Where have you invested your money? Or kung hindi ka pa masyadong nakapag-start, then this is the sign you are looking for. Now, don't be afraid. Yes, in investing, there's risk. But what's more riskier is not even trying. Or worse, maybe you've tried in the past, you failed, you give up. Kayo, saan nyo in-invest yung pera nyo? Comment here para we can share advice in our community. Probably we can learn from one another. And take note, hindi lang dapat iisa ang investment vehicle mo. Dapat multiple, dapat diversified. So if you're already investing somewhere else, maybe you can learn more how or where you can also invest for retirement. So if this video made you rethink about saving, follow this page. Follow me. In the next video, I'll explain how inflation silently steals your future and why ignoring it is one of the biggest retirement mistakes. Go ahead, follow lang dyan.